Warm welcome to everyone present here. When we speak about the present crisis, we all see two groups, meitei and the kukis. Like everybody has spoken right now, there is no concept of kuki tribes as a, separate, these are kukis. There are 30 plus communities in Manipur. Among them, some tribes like thadou, gangte, mar, meitei, and simte, and some few others, they have been tried to be assimilated as kukis. Among them, can we assume all of them are happy to be kukis? No, surrendering their separate identities, distinct in their clothes, they have distinct shawls, they have distinct their culture, dance, everything they have distinct identity of their own. They are told to surrender and become one conglomerate, mixed up as a kuki, which was never in existence before. Obviously, all the tribes, they will not be happy, especially those, minor tribes. This is what thadou in Manipur is representing. They want to maintain their distinct identity, and Meitei Alliance is supporting that. And we believe that more and more people will be coming out, reaching out with the coming of, we can see some sign of peace coming with the president rule imposed in Manipur. And once this has been settled, we hope to see more tribes coming out, more people from other tribes coming out and joining us in this venture of bringing about peaceful coexistence in Manipur. Now, having said that, just once I want to highlight, we don't have any kuki programs or kuki, cultural programs in Manipur. We have thadou program in Doordarshan and then in radio, and we have mar programs. Like, we have been maintaining this separate identity of each tribe, respecting them, harnessing them. We want to maintain that. We want a society in which each identity, each tribe maintains their distinct identity and still coexist with others. So this is the one, actually in this crisis, earlier we also had Kuki Naga crisis, and among the different tribes also we had, but never this kind of threat to the existence of Manipur has happened. And why this is happening is because there are militants, Kuki militants, in control of this crisis. This separatist movement is controlled by the militants. And because of this power of the gun, the militants, they have taken control. That's why the smaller tribes are afraid to come out. So once we bring this peace about in Manipur, we are sure to see, different people coming out. And we hope this is the first meeting of two different communities, thadou and meitei over here, represented by Meitei Alliance, the diaspora of Manipur, meitei in different parts of the country and the world. So we hope to see many more organizations joining in, many more people coming in, and thadou in P and Meitei Alliance are in agreement that we'll carry this forward, discussions among other like-minded organizations. And the main aim and objective of this press conference, this meeting we have, is to preserve the multicultural, multi-ethnic, peaceful society of Manipur, where we develop equally both valley and hills, because this is one main issue, that hills are underdeveloped, which they have taken chance by the militants, that we are underdeveloped, we are not given facilities, where many factors are there. It's not that Meiteis have taken control of everything. It's not like that. There are many factors which we'll discuss in another forum, but where we will see equal development of valleys and hills and progress towards a bright, beautiful future of Manipur. With that, I conclude, and looking forward to the question and answer session. Thank you.